2 dogs and 1 really big cat.
Hey there, stargazers. I'm Dean Regas, astronomer from the Cincinnati Observatory.
And I'm James Albury, director of the Kika Silva Pla Planetarium in Gainesville, Florida. We're here to help you find your way around the sky. It seems that there are dog people
and cat people.
Well, we have something for everyone this week. We have 2 canine constellations
and 1 giant feline in the night sky.
And if you're not a dog or a cat person, maybe we can convince you to be a Jupiter person.
Let's show you. When you face south after dark, you'll see the brightest star in the sky, Sirius. I know that Jupiter is a little brighter, but it's a planet, not a star. But don't worry, we'll get to that later. Sirius is the nose of the big dog constellation Canis Major. He is one of Orion's hunting dogs. Oh yeah, there's our main man, Orion, over to the dog's right.
In fact, you can use the 3 belt stars of Orion to find Sirius. Shoot an arrow from the belt to the left and it'll take you over to Sirius.
Sirius is one of our closest stars. It's only 8.6 light years away.
Okay, that's still like 50 trillion miles away, but still, it's way closer than most stars out there.
And Sirius is really 2 stars orbiting each other. A big white star that's twice as massive as our sun, and a small white dwarf star that has almost the mass of our sun, but is only the size of the Earth.
Higher in the southern sky is another bright star called Procyon. Now, get your imaginations ready for this. Procyon and the star next to it, named Gomesa, make up the entire constellation Canis Minor, the little dog.
Wait, 2 stars, that's it? That must be a hot dog.
Anyway, Procyon, like Sirius, is a white star that's close to the Earth, relatively speaking. It's only 11.5 light years away. Also like Sirius, Procyon is a multiple star system with a white dwarf star in tow. To find our friendly feline constellation, we need to face east. Look for a backward question mark of stars for ahead and a triangle of stars for the rear.
Friendly? Ha! This is Leo the lion, most feared creature to ever walk the forests of Nemea.
That's in Greece.
Yes, and Leo was finally taken out by none other than Hercules. After strangling the beast, Hercules fashioned Leo's hide into a coat. So if you ever see pictures of Hercules wearing a lion skin, that's what happened to old Leo. Hey Hercules, that is definitely a bold-fashioned statement.
But here we see Leo in more peaceful days, lying cat-like in the skies. The brightest star in Leo is called Regulus, and it means little king.
Now that we're heading into spring, you'll be seeing the king of the starry skies, Leo, nightly. We're now looking a little into the future, and it's the night of March 13th at 10 p.m. When you look east-southeast, you'll find the waning gibbous moon above a really bright star.
That star is actually the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter. Like we mentioned earlier, Sirius is the brightest star in the sky, but Jupiter as a planet outshines it almost twofold.
And Jupiter is getting closer to us each night this month until it reaches opposition, the closest point to the Earth, on April 7th. Right now, Jupiter is over 420 million miles from Earth, but it's such a huge planet that it shines its reflective sunlight all the way to us.
If you miss seeing Jupiter near the moon on March 13th, go back outside again on March 14th. The moon will appear just below and to the left of Jupiter. Plus, you'll want to note a bright blue star in the area. This is called Spica, the brightest star in the constellation Virgo the Maiden. So, dog people, cat people, and planet people, we have something for everyone this week.
Not to mention the moon.
Oh yeah, that's right. The moon will be hanging near Jupiter on March 13th and 14th.
And you can see the 2 hunting dogs of Orion, Canis Major and Canis Minor, as well as 1 big cat, Leo the lion. And it's all there when you keep looking up.